let's talk about a word you've probably heard in maths class. Algebra. So where does this word actually come from? The word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-Jabr, meaning reunion of broken parts, or restoration. It was introduced by the Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi in the 9th century in his famous book Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala. Over time, the word traveled through Latin, then English, and became a core part of modern mathematics used all around the world today. Now let's break it down further. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters, symbols, and numbers to represent relationships and solve problems. Instead of only working with numbers, we use variables like x, y, or z to find unknown values. For example, if x plus 5 equals 10, then algebra helps us discover that x equals 5. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Algebra is pronounced al-Jabr. Say it like this: al, like pal, like a soft j, brah, like bruh. Put it together slowly. Al-Jabr. Let's hear it again. Al-Jabr. Now let's look at some examples in real sentences. I struggled with algebra in high school, but now I enjoy it. Algebra helps us solve real-life problems, like budgeting and planning. She is very good at algebra and mathematics. We learned how to solve equations using algebra today. Now here are some related terms you'll often see with algebra. Mathematics, or math, equations, expressions, variables, mathematical logic, and abstract math. Now let's clear up a common confusion. Algebra is not the same as simple arithmetic. Arithmetic is basic number operations, like addition and subtraction. Algebra goes deeper. It uses symbols and unknown values. So think of algebra as solving a puzzle with missing pieces. Here are some quick tips to help you learn it better. Think of variables like real objects. For example, apples or coins. Practice simple equations every day. And try using real-life situations, like shopping or budgeting. Now let's summarize. Algebra comes from the Arabic word al-Jabr. It is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols and variables to solve problems. It helps us think logically and solve real-world challenges. Pronunciation: al-Jabr. And remember, algebra is just problem solving with missing pieces. So don't fear it. Break it down and solve it step by step.